Welcome to the connected factory. Production is running smoothly since the different machines and systems in the plant are constantly communicating. But let's have a look inside and see how HMS products make the factory run. Robots like these are the workhorses of many factories, carrying out complex and synchronized tasks. These particular robots are manufactured in another part of the world and will not be able to communicate in this factory had it not been for the Anybus Compact Com from HMS. It integrates into the robot, allowing it to communicate with the factory control system. This particular robot is connected to a safety network, making it stop whenever humans are present. The ICSAT Safe T100 enables the robot to communicate on any safety network. This conveyor belt has been running for a long time and now needs service. The supplier of the conveyor belt has a long way to travel to site, but by using E1 remote solutions, it's possible to log in, reprogram and commission the system without having to travel. A secure tunnel is established using an E1 Cozy from HMS. The factory network is the bloodline of the entire plant and must be operational at all times. With an Anybus Atlas, it's possible to get network diagnostics to spot any problems on the network before they occur and avoid costly downtime. The indoor climate in the factory is important. These air conditioning units communicate with the building automation system in the factory, making sure they're not running unnecessarily. Intersys AC interfaces enable the air conditioning units to communicate with the building automation system used in the factory. Welcome to the warehouse. These barcode scanners communicate using serial communication. However, the factory plant uses an industrial Ethernet network, but with the help of an Anybus gateway, they can interchange information with the factory network. A great way to connect older and newer parts of the factory, often called retrofitting. This automated guided vehicle is transporting material between the factory and the warehouse. By using an Anybus wireless bolt, it can communicate with the local factory network via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or even 5G. And finally, several of the PLCs, programmable logic controllers, running the machines are connected to a cloud service. Factory staff and even machine builders can check and even do troubleshooting from anywhere. These are some of the ways that HMS makes factories connected.